and grow. No matter how far the journey takes us, that's where we belong. When the world gets heavy and the road gets long, we find our courage in a simple song. A little bit of kindness, a little bit of care can turn a lonely moment into something we can share. Build a place where every heart feels welcome, where the broken can heal and the weary can rest. No walls of hatred, no doors of fear, just open arms saying you're welcome here. Let the healing start today, let compassion lead the way. When we open up our hearts, that's where transformation starts. Where love lives, let the whole world come. Where hope shines bright, we can overcome. Open your heart, let the good times flow. Give a little love everywhere you go. Where love lives, there is room for all. When we lift each other, nobody has to fall. Hey, let the children hear words that inspire. Let the dreams become a living fire. Let the elders share the wisdom they know, so the next generation has a stronger road to go. From the Caribbean Sea to the streets overseas, people everywhere are searching for peace, different stories, but the same human heart. We can build something beautiful if we choose to start. Bassline rolling, feel that vibration, positive energy across every nation. Move your feet, let your spirit be free. Come together in unity. Left, right, move to the beat. Feel that rhythm underneath your feet. Hands up high, let the whole world know love is the energy making us grow. Where love lives, let the whole world come. Where hope shines bright, we can overcome. Open your heart, let the good times flow. Give a little love everywhere you go. Where love lives, there is room for all. When we lift each other, nobody has to fall. If you've been hurting, you can heal. If you've been lost, you can find your way. If you've been tired, you can rest. Tomorrow brings another day. Love can rebuild, hope can restore, unity can open every door. Where love lives, let the whole world come. Where hope shines bright, we can overcome. We can overcome. Oh, open your heart, let the good times flow. Yeah, yeah. Give a little love everywhere you go. Where love lives, there's room for you and me. Every heart can be free. Open your heart, let love live. Let hope grow. That's where we belong. Oh yeah. Let the light rise. Let the people stand strong. When the world feels heavy, we carry the hope along. There's a strength in the heart that no storm can destroy. There's a spark in the darkness that brings back the joy. When the road gets rough and the night gets cold, hold on to your purpose, don't let it unfold. your spirit, let courage take flight. The morning is waiting beyond this night. Raise your heart, raise your vision, walk with courage, make your decision. No matter how heavy the burden may be, there's a light inside waiting to be free. Let the light rise, let the good things flow. Give us the strength that we need to grow. Let love rise, let the whole world see. When we stand together, we can all be free. Let the light rise, shining through the night. Open our hearts and our future inside. Give peace to the weary, give hope to the young. Let wisdom be spoken from every tongue. Let every community learn how to care and lift up the people who feel despair. We don't need division, we don't need fear. We need more compassion to bring people near. From every island and every shore, let love be the strength that we're fighting for. Bassline dropping, feel it in your chest. Positive energy, give it your best. Step up, step out, move with the sound. Lift your people when they're falling down. Hands in the air, let the message fly. Hope is alive underneath the sky. No matter the struggle, no matter the fight, keep moving forward toward the light. Let the light rise, let the good things flow. Give us the strength that we need to grow. Let love rise, let the whole world see. When we stand together, a day when their burden gets lighter. But even when the walls seem higher than the sky, there's a voice in the spirit saying, rise, don't hide. Yesterday's mistakes don't define tomorrow. Healing can grow from the deepest sorrow. Every human heart deserves another chance. Every wounded soul deserves to rise and advance. Break down the fear, let the healing begin. The greatest freedom starts from within. Open your heart, let compassion flow. Give someone hope when they're feeling low. Freedom starts within. Let your spirit rise. Hope is shining brighter than the darkest skies. Stand together. Let the whole world know love can heal the places where the cold winds blow. Freedom starts within. Don't surrender your light. Keep your heart courageous. Keep your vision bright. We need a world where the young can dream, where every honest effort has a chance to meet, where justice walk beside compassion each day, and people find a better and brighter way. Don't judge a person by the road they have known. Help them build a future they can call their own. When one person rises, let another rise too. There's enough light in the world for me and you. Bassline heavy, let the rhythm roll. Feel that heartbeat deep in your soul. Step forward, don't step back. Keep your vision on the right track. Hands up high, let the message spread. Put positive thoughts inside your head. From the Caribbean across the sea, let freedom and love be our melody. Freedom starts within. Let your spirit rise. Hope is shining brighter than the darkest skies. Stand together. Let the whole world know love can heal the places where the cold winds blow. Freedom starts within. Don't surrender your light. Keep your heart courageous. Keep your vision bright. When the world says no, believe there is a way. When the night feels long, look toward another day. Forgive, heal, rise, live. The future belongs to those who refuse to lose their hope. Freedom starts within. Let your spirit rise. Hope is shining brighter than the darkest skies. Stand together. Let the whole world know love can heal the places where the cold winds blow. But every new morning brings another chance to open your heart and begin the advance. Don't let yesterday decide who you are. You've traveled through darkness, but you've come so far. The mountain may rise and the pathway may bend, but courage will carry you right to the end. When the pressure comes down, stand tall. When you stumble, rise after the fall. There's a strength that the world cannot see. There's a light inside you waiting to be free. Keep the fire burning. Keep your spirit strong. Even through the struggle, keep moving along. Hold on to your vision. Don't surrender your dream. Together we can rise like a powerful stream. Keep the fire burning. Let your heart believe. Better days are coming. There's a future we can see. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Give love to your brother, give hope to your friend. A helping hand can make the broken heart mend. We all have a journey, we all have a fight. So be someone's shelter when they lose sight. Let freedom ring from the mountains to the sea. Let every human heart have a chance to be free. No color, no border can weaken our ties. When people stand together, a new world can rise. Bassline rolling, everybody move. Feel that rhythm, feel that groove. Step to the left, step to the right. Carry your hope into the night. No turning back, we're moving ahead. Put positive thoughts inside your head. If the road gets rough, we hold the line. Your victory and mine will come in time. Keep the fire burning. Keep your spirit strong. Even through the struggle, keep moving along. Hold on to your vision. Don't surrender your dream. Together we can rise like a powerful stream. Keep the fire burning. Let your heart believe. Better days are coming. There's a future we can see. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Don't fear the storm. The sun will shine. Don't lose your faith. Your time will come. If you fall, rise again. If you hurt, heal again. If you dream, believe again. The journey never ends. Keep the fire burning. Keep the fire. Keep your spirit strong. Keep your spirit strong. Even through the struggle, even through the struggle. Keep moving along. Keep moving along. Hold on to your vision. Hey. Don't surrender your dream. No storm can steal the dream inside. We rise together, side by side. A better tomorrow is calling our name. Through every struggle we'll rise again. Let every child have a chance to dream. Let every family know what freedom means. Let the hungry find bread and the lonely find care. Let compassion become the answer everywhere. We don't need division, we don't need fear. We need open hearts and people who care. From every island, every village, every town, let the spirit of unity lift us up now. Step forward, don't look back. Keep your spirit on the right track. Bassline rolling, drums moving tight. Everybody come together tonight. Hands up high, let the whole world see. Love is the key to our destiny. No matter the struggle, no matter the fight, we keep walking toward the light. We're moving toward a brighter place. With love and hope, we'll find our way. No storm can steal the dream inside. We rise together, side by side. A better tomorrow is calling our name. Through every struggle we'll rise again. When you stumble, rise again. When you lose, begin again. When the darkness fills the sky, keep your faith and reach up high. One heart, one love, one future. We're moving forward, we're moving toward a brighter place. With love and hope, we'll find our way. No storm can steal the dream inside. We rise together, side by side. A better tomorrow is calling our name. Through every struggle, we'll rise again. Keep moving, keep believing, keep loving, keep rising. A brighter tomorrow is calling. Give them courage when the road is rough. Every child carries a dream in their heart, waiting for somebody to give them a start. Give them location, give them a chance, give them a reason to believe in advance. Don't build a wall around their destiny. Open up the door and let them dream free. When a young heart falls, don't turn away. Lift them up and show them a better day. We can change what tomorrow will be if we plant the right seeds today. Give the young ones love and opportunity, and they'll find their own way. Give the children a future, give them hope. watch them grow. Some see a young face and only see mistakes, but every new generation has choices to make. Teach them with patience, guide them with care. Show them that somebody will always be there. A troubled beginning doesn't write the end. A broken road can still lead to a friend. When opportunity knocks, let the young step through, with courage in their hearts and a vision that's true. Step up, don't stop, feel that bass line when it drops. Young and old, come join the sound, lift each other off the ground. From Kingston streets to the world outside, let hope and wisdom be our guide. No matter the struggle, no matter the pain, we rise together, together the pain. Give the children a future, give them hope today, give them love and wisdom to find their way. Build a better world, let compassion lead, give every young heart what it truly needs. Stand together, let the good times flow, lift up the children and watch them grow. If we want peace, then teach peace. If we want love, then show love. If we want change, start today, and let kindness lead the way. Give the children a future, give them hope today, give them love and wisdom to find their way. Build a better world, let compassion lead, give every young heart what it truly needs. Rise up, young people, your future is calling. Keep your heart strong, keep your dreams alive. Oh. Oh yeah, yeah. Give thanks for another morning. Give thanks for another day. When the people stand together, nothing can take their strength away. We come from different roads, but we're walking one way. Building up tomorrow with the choices we make. When the pressure gets heavy and the night gets long, we hold on to each other and keep moving strong. A little kindness can change somebody's life. A little hope can help them survive. Don't turn your back when your brother is down. Reach out your hand and turn it around. We have the power to change the story. We have the strength to rise again. Through every struggle, through every battle, let love be stronger than the pain. Together we stand, together we rise, with hope in our hearts and a fire in our eyes. One human family, one heart, one way. We keep the love alive every night and day. plenty while some have less. But every human deserves happiness. Let the children grow where the future is bright. Let every mother sleep peacefully at night. We don't need hatred, we don't need war. We need open hearts and something more. Give your neighbor strength when the road gets steep. Plant a seed of love that the world can keep. Move your feet when the bass line drops. Keep the rhythm going and never stop. Hands up high, let the whole place know we're carrying love everywhere we go. From the Caribbean Sea to the African land, people everywhere come together and stand. Different languages, different names, but underneath we're all the same. Together we stand, together we rise, with hope in our hearts and a fire in our eyes. One human family, one heart, one way. We keep the love alive every night and day. Together we stand, together we rise. No storm can break us when our spirits unite. If you have love, give it away. If you have strength, help someone today. If you found hope, let somebody see. The change we seek begins with you and me. Together we stand, together, together we rise. Together, with hope in our heart, with hope in our heart, and a fire in our eyes. One human family, one heart, one way, one goal. Keep the love alive every night and day. Together we stand, together, together we rise. Together, love is our strength. Hope is our guide. Rise up, people of the earth. Hold on to the love that gives us worth. Through every storm and every night, we keep moving towards the light. When the road gets rough and the mountain feels high, keep your vision strong, keep your dreams alive. No chain can hold a heart that knows its way. No darkness can defeat the coming day. Brothers together, sisters standing strong. One heart beating to a freedom song. Though yesterday may carry scars and pain, we plant new seeds and dance beneath the rain. We won't surrender, we won't fall. Love is the strength inside us all. From every valley we arise, with hope shining in our eyes. Rise up in freedom, rise up in love. Reach for the future, look to the sky above. Stand together, never divide. Hope in our hearts and the truth as our guide. Rise up, rise up. Let the whole world know when we we can go. From the islands to the streets of the world, let every flag of hatred be unfurled and replaced with a banner of peace, where the hungry find bread and the suffering cease. The young need dreams, the elders need respect. Every human life deserves protection. We carry tomorrow in the choices we make. Build something beautiful for humanity's sake. Step to the left, then step to the right. Keep your spirit burning bright. Hands in the air, let your worries go. Feel that bass line moving slow. One love rhythm, one heartbeat sound. Lift each other when we fall to the ground. No matter where you come from or where you roam, a world full of love can become our home. Rise up in freedom, rise up in love. Reach for the future, look to the sky above. Stand together, never divide. Hope in our hearts and the truth as our guide. Rise up, let the whole world know. When we walk together, there's nowhere we can go. Rise up, keep the fire alive. Love will carry us. Hope will guide us. Rise up in freedom. Rise up in love. Together we rise. Oh yeah. Look inside your heart. Find a light within. The road begins when you believe in who you are. There's a voice in your spirit that nobody can silence. A quiet little flame that can grow into guidance. You've walked through the darkness, you've weathered the rain, but every hard lesson has strengthened your name. Don't let the world tell you that your dream is too small. Don't let a setback convince you to fall. You carry a purpose no one else can see. There's something inside you that's waiting to be free. Look within, find your strength. Keep your vision clear. When the road gets difficult, let courage replace fear. Know your light, let it shine. Your journey is yours, your future is mine. Stand up strong, let your heart be free. Believe in the person you're destined to be. Know your light, how light away. Carry that fire into every new day. We are more than the troubles that follow our name. More than the losses, the sorrow and pain. When we learn to forgive and begin to repair, we discover there's strength in the love that we share. Lift up your brother, encourage your friend. A helping hand can make a broken road bend. No person's an island, no heart stands alone. Together we build the places we call home. Bassline heavy, let the rhythm roll. Feel that vibration deep in your soul. Step to the left, step to the right. Bring your positive energy into the night. Don't let fear tell you where you belong. Turn your struggle into something strong. A better tomorrow starts with you and me. Know your light, let it shine. Your journey is yours, your future is mine. Stand up strong, let your heart be free. Believe in the person you're destined to be. Know your light, don't hide away. Carry that fire into every new day. When you lose your way, take a breath and begin. The greatest journey starts from deep within. Rise with compassion, walk with courage, live with purpose, love without fear. Know your light, let it shine. Your journey is yours, your future is mine. Stand up strong, let your heart be free. Believe in the person you're destined to be. Know your light, let it shine. Keep your spirit strong, keep moving on. Look within, find your light. Walk with courage, your light is still shining. Oh yeah. Let love light the way. Let hope fill every heart. When the road becomes uncertain, love can give us a brand new start. When the morning comes after a restless night, we gather our courage and walk toward the light. Every scar tells a story of battles we've known, but love gives the weary a place to call home. If your brother is falling, reach out your hand, help him rise up and learn how to stand. If your sister is hurting, give comfort and care. A little compassion can change the air. Love is stronger than the pain. Hope can bloom after the rain. When we lift each other high, we can reach beyond the sky. Let love lead us home. Let love light the way. Give hope to the heart that is struggling today. One world, one family, together we stand, building tomorrow with our own hands. Let love lead us home. Let the good spirit shine. When we walk together, your future meets mine. There are children dreaming beneath the same sun, waiting for a world where their journey has begun. Give them education, give them a voice, give them opportunity, give them a choice. We can break the walls that keep people apart, build bridges of kindness from heart to heart. No matter our language, no matter our land, we can make tomorrow better when we join hands. speak strength for the strong and hope for the weak. Move your body, let your spirit breathe. Positive energy is what we need. From the Caribbean shores to the world beyond, sing your truth and keep your heart strong. Through every struggle, through every fight, keep love burning like a beacon of light. Let love lead us home, let love light the way. Give hope to the heart that is struggling today. One word, one family, together we stand, building tomorrow with our own hands. Let love lead us home, let the good spirit shine. When we walk together, your future meets mine. When you're tired, keep walking. When you're hurting, keep healing. When you're falling, keep rising. There's still a reason to believe. Love can heal, hope can grow. Together we can find a way home. Let love lead us home, let love light the way. Give hope to the heart that is struggling today. One word, one family, together we stand, building tomorrow with our own hands. Let love lead us home, let love light the way. Keep the fire burning every night we Love will lead us, hope will guide us. Together we'll rise. Oh yeah, stand firm, keep your heart strong. When the storm comes rolling, we don't lose our way. Oh yeah, the road may be rough and the mountain may rise, but courage is shining inside our eyes. We've carried the weight of a difficult day. Still there's a voice saying keep moving your way. No fear can silence a heart that believes. No storm can destroy what the spirit conceives. When the world gets heavy and hope feels far, remember how powerful your dreams are. Stand strong when the pressure comes, keep your faith when the darkness runs. Hand in hand we carry on, waiting for another dawn. Stand firm, stand strong, keep moving on. Hold on to the light till the darkness is gone. Stand firm, stand strong, together we rise. Hope in our hearts and a fire in our eyes. carry us far. A world built on kindness can rise from the pain, like green leaves returning after the rain. Bassline rolling, drums coming strong. Everybody move when you hear this song. Step to the rhythm, move with the sound. Lift up your brother when he's falling down. From the islands to the streets worldwide, let love be the power that we carry inside. No matter your story, no matter your name, we all want sunshine after the rain. Stand firm, stand strong, keep moving on. Hold on to the light till the darkness is gone. Stand firm, stand strong, together we rise. Hope in our hearts and a fire in our eyes. No fear, no surrender, no turning around. All we stand together, our strength can be found. When the night is long, keep believing. When the road is hard, keep proceeding. Love will guide you, hope will lead you, strength will carry you where you need to go. Stand firm, stand strong, keep moving on. Hold on to the light till the darkness is gone. Stand firm, stand strong, together we rise. Hope in our hearts and a fire in our eyes. Stand firm, stand strong, keep moving on. Together we rise. Keep the faith, keep the love, keep the fire burning. Stand firm. Oh yeah. Open up the way. Let the sunlight enter. When one door closes, we find another road to freedom. I've been waiting for a brighter morning, watching the clouds while the sun keeps forming. Every setback tried to slow me down, but I found my strength when I turned around. There is a road beyond the fear we know. There is a river where the healing flows. Take my hand, we can walk as one. There's a new beginning underneath the sun. Open your heart, let the good things in. Leave yesterday and begin again. No matter how heavy the burden may be, there's a better road waiting to be free. Open up the way, let the light come through. There's a brighter tomorrow waiting for you. Open up your heart, let the love flow free. When we stand together, we change our destiny. Open up the way, don't be afraid. Every little step is a choice we have made. If your neighbor falls, don't walk away. Give them a little hope to face another day. If somebody's hurting, give them your time. Sometimes a little kindness helps the soul shine. We don't need walls between you and me. We need understanding, compassion and peace. From every corner where the people unite, a little more darkness disappears from the night. Come on now, move with the bass line. Step forward, everything will be fine. Hands up high, let the rhythm roll. Feel that vibration deep in your soul. Left foot, right foot, move to the beat. Positive energy under your feet. No